In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an image in Canva. Let's get started right inside the Canva editor. First, make sure you have your design open. This can be anything you're working on: a social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, or a custom-sized graphic. Once your design is open on the screen, look towards the top right corner of the Canva interface. There, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on the Share button. Even though it says Share, this is also where Canva keeps the options for downloading and exporting your design. When the menu opens, you'll see several choices for sharing your design with others. What you're looking for is the option called Download. Click on Download, and you'll notice that the panel refreshes to show you all the download settings. In this new panel, one of the most important fields you'll see is called File Type. This is where you choose the format for your exported image. Click on the File Type dropdown, and you'll see a list of available formats. For exporting an image, you'll typically pick either JPG or PNG. JPG is a good choice if you want a smaller file size, and you're working with photos or designs where a tiny bit of compression is okay. PNG is usually better if you want a higher quality image, sharper text and graphics, or if you need a transparent background. Depending on your Canva plan, you may see some additional settings under the file type. These can include options to adjust the size or dimensions of the export, tweak the image quality, limit the file size, compress the file, or enable a transparent background for PNG files. Take a moment to review these options. For example, if you're exporting for web use, you might want to reduce the size or enable compression to make the file easier to upload. If you're exporting for print, you'll usually want higher quality and a larger size. Once you've selected the file type and adjusted any settings to match your needs, you're ready to export. Simply click the Download button. Canva will process your design, and your image file will be saved to your computer, usually in your default Downloads folder. From there, you can upload it to social media, send it in an email, or use it wherever you need your final image.